If you're in your 30s and looking to boost your energy, metabolism, and overall health, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can master your diet and fitness. First up, exercise. In your 30s, it's crucial to focus on building strength and endurance. Why? Because this is the time when you start to lose muscle mass and your metabolism begins to slow down. Incorporating exercises like high-intensity interval training, strength training, and even yoga can make a huge difference. Here's a quick sample workout routine. Start with a 5-minute warm-up, then jump into 20 minutes of HIIT, followed by 20 minutes of strength training, and wrap up with 15 minutes of yoga for a cool down. Remember, consistency is key, especially with a busy schedule. Try to set a fixed time daily or at least 3 times a week to get moving. Moving on to diet, the cornerstone of vitality in your 30s, a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates is essential. These nutrients are your best friends for maintaining energy levels and a healthy metabolism. How about starting your day with a smoothie packed with fruits, greens, and a scoop of protein powder? For lunch, a quinoa salad with avocado and grilled chicken, and for dinner, perhaps some grilled salmon with sweet potatoes and broccoli. And let's not forget about nutrition specifics. Staying hydrated and getting enough fiber are paramount. Also, managing stress through diet is more beneficial than you might think. Incorporate foods like dark chocolate and oranges that help lower stress levels. Plus, consider supplements like multivitamins, cherry juice for those post-workout aches, and omega-3s for overall wellness. Thanks for tuning in. Start implementing these tips and watch how they transform your health and energy levels. Here's to a healthier, stronger you in your 30s.